Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 3 of the Gmail series. In this video we are going to see how you can add an attachment in an email. By adding an attachment, you can add various files like images, documents, Excels, along with your email. So, let's see how we can do this. Once you have composed the mail, click on the attachment option here, and then select the files that you want to share. And click OK or Open option here, and then click on Send to send the email. You can also add multiple attachments as well. Just click on the attachment, select the files, and then click on OK and Send. You can also add attachments from Drive as well. Just click on this Insert Files from Drive option, select the files, and click on Insert and Send. So, this is how you can send an attachment in the email. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.